In this video, I will show you how to power on your ViewBoard. Underneath your board and to the left of the ViewSonic logo, you will find the power cable and kill switch. To power on the ViewBoard, move the kill switch to the right. You will then notice the power button on the control panel located on the bottom right of the ViewBoard. This power button is now illuminated red. Press the button, which will illuminate it blue, signaling that the board is powering up. To shut down your ViewBoard, press and hold the power button for 5 seconds. When the system prompts you to confirm shutdown, select OK.